Best Sport Touring Motorcycle, Benelli TRK 702X Review, Budget Sport Touring Surprise? In a market saturated with premium-priced sport touring motorcycles, the Benelli TRK 702X has emerged as an unexpected player, challenging the status quo with surprising capability and value. As Benelli continues to evolve from its Chinese-Italian roots, the TRK 702X is proving that a well-built, well-equipped touring machine doesn't have to break the bank. With growing popularity on YouTube and motorcycle forums, this mid-weight adventure tourer is turning heads, and not just because of its aggressive styling. Design: big bike looks on a budget. The TRK 702X doesn't hide its ambition. From the moment you see it, this bike exudes presence with its tall stance, spoked wheels, adjustable windscreen, and rally-inspired bodywork. Despite its mid-range price tag, it looks like a bike that costs twice as much, a key reason it's featured in several viral comparison reviews on YouTube. Creators like EdMotoBob and EdBikeSandbeards have praised the build quality and aesthetic, with views exceeding 400K on their Benelli reviews. For riders entering the touring scene, this model feels aspirational without the intimidation of a hefty price tag. Engine and performance. Under the tank lies a 698 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine producing 76 horsepower and 68 Nm of torque, respectable figures for its class. While not blisteringly fast, the delivery is smooth and tractable, ideal for long-distance touring and light off-road use. The 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch enhances rider comfort, especially during extended rides. Suspension is handled by 50mm upside-down forks up front and a monoshock at the rear, with adjustable preload. The 19-inch front wheel and dual-sport tires make the TRK 702X genuinely adventure-capable, while remaining smooth and planted on paved roads. Touring features and comfort. Where the TRK 702X really shines is in its touring practicality. A large 20-liter fuel tank, comfortable ergonomics, crash bars, USB port, and optional luggage systems make it a genuine out-of-the-box tourer. Riders can easily add panniers and top boxes for extended trips, and the upright riding posture ensures all-day comfort. YouTube reviews from Chasing the Horizon and EdMotoWorld highlight how the TRK handled multi-day journeys across European and Asian terrain, earning the title Best Budget Tourer in multiple videos, some surpassing 500,000 views. Verdict: the budget touring surprise of 2025? While it may not carry the brand prestige of BMW or Ducati, the Benelli TRK 702X makes a compelling case as the best budget-friendly sport touring motorcycle of 2025. It blends performance, comfort, rugged aesthetics, and real-world touring features into a package that's both accessible and enjoyable. If you're seeking adventure touring capabilities, solid build quality, and a comfortable ride without the premium price tag, this bike might just be your next great road companion.